Alright, so took a little detour and now we're gonna go to the Golden State Park because it's like 5 minutes away from where we were. Pretty much you can park anywhere in the street, it seems like. Let me show you the walk here. Yeah, so you can just stop and pull over and park. There are no fees to get here, you just park and just stop and go. We're at Golden Gate Park and you can do all of that. There they are. No, you cannot get really close to them. Okay, that's it. Okay, now we're going to our next stop. So we stopped at Strawberry Hill. You can pretty much pull over and park. There's a little boat that you can rent. Yeah, so you can rent that. We've seen people paddling on the lake. No way. Hi. So it's $28.50 an hour. No.
Oh, that's good.
Pass. Alright, there's the bridge that we're gonna try to cross over. So it's pretty much a spiral and you just keep going up and up. We're probably halfway there. It's not too bad. It's not that big of an incline. How beautiful. You can see the city over there. Look at these beautiful plants. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. I think it's worth it to come up here and look at this. Hopefully you guys can see. So we arrived at the top. You can see the Golden Gate.
Where?
From here over there, right?
Oh, you guys. Yeah.
Where is it? You can see that. This was probably like 15 to 30 minute walk. Wasn't too bad.
Big difference.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Depends how fast you walk.
And there's a line. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Wow.
So we're going to the Japanese tea garden and it's Friday at 12:20 and everybody's here. Everybody woke up, I guess. That's the deYoung Museum. We are here, Japanese tea garden. Ooh, this is so cute. This is just a sneak peek of the Japanese tea garden. You can find the link for the full video review on the description box below, or you can click on the link on the top right. Alright, so with the Ferris wheel, tickets are here. Let's find out how much it is. So the entrance fee was $18, but you need to reserve your slot. So we wanted to go, but there was no slots. So now we're gonna go to the California Academy of Science, see how much it is, how much it costs. So tickets are $37. You cannot buy them here. You have to go on this website and get them there. $37 for an adult person. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!